The polar bears were one thing, and the keeping the shots in that pelt pocket to keep them warm was one thing. But you know what? That wasn't the worst of it. The worst of it was this, that I was broke, because I lost Atlas shortbread. Pete Bland goes in the hospital, so does his company. Pete Bland comes out of the hospital, his company doesn't. So I was broke, and I made heaps and heaps of promises. And the trouble with making promises, well, if you intend on going back to where you made the promise, is you've actually got to do it. And I made a promise to a sponsor that I would do something for them when I got to the North Magnetic Pole. Well, the trouble with making this promise was this company was actually a clothing company, and the clothing company was actually an underwear company.
It's on to the pole, but before breaking camp, Peter has a sponsorship obligation.
Right, back about 2 inch. A bit more. Yeah, that's perfect.
2,000 kilometres sailing to the South Magnetic Pole, 600 kilometres walking to the North Magnetic Pole. Mitch Dowd boxer shorts. Nothing should hold you back.
Do you like that? Yeah, I think that applause. You know the cameraman asked me to do it again. I won't tell you what I said to him. We got there. Yep, we got there. And I